Hi, are you tired of waiting in agony, not knowing if your manifestation is coming true? I want you to watch this video to go from confused to knowing the exact signs of if your manifestation is coming true. I'm Dr. Tiffany Shelton Mariel. I am a psychologist and I'm the owner of Conscious Snapshot. And here on this channel, I make weekly videos on how to create a manifestation mindset. So please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out when I post every Thursday. So if you're frustrated because you're wondering, are all your manifestation efforts actually working or not? By the end of this video, you'll know the exact signs to know if your manifestation is coming. You deserve to enjoy the journey as you manifest your dreams, and I've helped many clients relax and enjoy the journey by allowing them to know the exact signs to look for to know if their manifestation is coming true, and I want to help you do the same thing. So my first tip is actually what I call pre-manifestation signs, and these are actually just the signs at the very beginning of the manifestation process to let you know you're on the right track. And those signs are our emotions. So we want to use our emotions as a guidance system to know if we're on track with what it is that we're wanting to manifest. And if you're feeling good emotions, positive emotions, high vibrations, you will know that you are on the right track to manifesting your dreams. If you're feeling negative emotions like sadness, depression, stress, anxiety, any of those negative emotions, those are your signs from your inner spirit, from God, from your value system, whatever you want to call it. They're letting you know that you're off track with aligning with what it is that you want. It's letting you know that something you're thinking or you're doing is not on track with what you want and actually pulling you away from attracting your dreams. So emotions are not a bad thing. Negative emotions are not a bad thing. They're actually signals to let us know to check in with our thoughts or to check in with our behavior so we can get back on track with aligning with what we want. So we want to kind of like watch our life like our life is like a movie. We want to sit back and see the events of our life, notice our emotion, notice our thoughts, and when you notice that some resistance is pulling you away from enjoying that movie, like negative emotions or negative beliefs, you want to be able to check your thoughts, even your behaviors, and really tune back into watching the movie in an enjoyable way, enjoying the life of that you're living. I have a video on how to vibrate high on a daily basis, experience joy. I will link that in the description below. So that's my first tip, is to use your pre-manifesting emotions to let you know, are you on the right track to attracting your dreams? My next sign that I want you guys to start paying attention to is synchronicity. And synchronicity is really important. It's like omens tell you that your dream is coming. And I want to read you the definition of synchronicity. I'm going to read you my definition of synchronicity. So some definitions have defined synchronicity as meaningful coincidences. And what I want to add is when you start having a manifestation mindset, you will notice things starting to work in your favor and aligning with what you want to manifest. These meaningful coincidences are little omens telling you that what you're trying to manifest is in the process of coming to you. For example, if you're trying to manifest wealth, you may notice instances of unexpected money coming to you, or you may notice opportunities coming into your life that didn't exist before. So synchronicity is really about noticing those signs, noticing those omens that are coming into your life and are directly aligned with what you want. One of my clients told me an example of when they had decided to start manifesting love. They started seeing men in the grocery store, wherever they were shopping, that directly aligned with the kind of men that they wanted to attract. I remember wanting to manifest a certain amount of money, and all of a sudden I started getting checks in the mail that I wasn't expecting. So those are those little signs that, hey, what I want is flowing to me without even effort. It's the universe, it's God putting things together, aligning, and that's going to help you build your faith, build your belief. So while you're waiting, you know those things are coming. So make sure you're paying attention to those little signs, those little omens, those meaningful coincidences, because that's another sign that your manifestation is coming true. If you want to know how to manifest faster, I will link a video that I did on manifesting faster in the description below. My third tip is the sign of self-transformation. So when you notice that along your journey of manifesting what you want, you yourself are transforming, that's a huge sign that what you want to manifest is coming true. Self-transformation includes a certain amount of loss, and this can be a loss of certain holding patterns that we have, maybe even certain personality traits that were holding us back, like procrastination. You'll notice that when we do transform, although we're gaining a better version of ourselves, we're also losing certain things, like things that may have made us comfortable in the past, but that weren't maybe so helpful when it came to attracting abundance. It could also be the loss of a job that causes us to transform. So we may be stuck in this job that we don't really like, but we're staying because we're comfortable. And let's say you lose that job and it kind of pushes you to transform, become better, to apply yourself and apply to different jobs. And in that process, you transform and become more confident. And then you start attracting, let's say, that wealth that you're trying to manifest, or that dream job that you're trying to manifest by the loss of that job, which initially may seem like a bad thing, but in reality, it's what's causing you to transform as that catalyst that you needed to move on, to become a better person. So those are my 3 signs that will really help you know exactly if your manifestation is coming. Those emotions, that synchronicity, and that self-transformation. So pay attention to those 3 things and you'll definitely know if your manifestation is on its way. If you guys have any other signs that have helped you on your journey, please write them in the description below and comment manifesting if you like this video. I also will leave a link in the description for my manifestation routine guide. This is a guide that's completely free that I created to help you put all this manifestation stuff together so you don't even have to think about that. Until next time, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and namaste.